Here is how to set up direct deposit on Cash App, including the answer to the question everyone asks. Do you even need the form? Let us go. Open Cash App, go to the Money tab, and tap your cash balance. Scroll down to add money to your balance and tap direct deposit. Now, the important part. If your employer just needs a routing and account number, you are basically done. They are right here under Use Account Details. Give those two numbers to your payroll person, pick checking as the account type, and your paychecks start landing in Cash App. The form is only for employers who want an official document. If you do need that document, tap Get Direct Deposit Form, then create new form. Type in your employer's name and hit Continue. Choose how much of your paycheck goes to Cash App. The full paycheck, a percentage, or a fixed amount. Most people pick full paycheck. Sign with your finger and tap Next, and your form is ready. Tap Email Form to send it straight to payroll or HR, or view it and print it. Now, the quick answers people always need. Yes, deposits really can land up to 2 days early because Cash App releases the money the moment your employer sends it. If a form asked for the bank name, it is Sutton Bank. Pick checking, not savings. And gig apps count too. Uber, DoorDash, and Instacart can all pay straight into Cash App. How do you know it worked? The moment your first deposit lands, it shows up in your activity, this clock tab down here, and Cash App pings your phone. And a heads up, on your employer's side, Cash App often shows up as Sutton Bank. Same thing, do not panic. If your job uses a payroll site like ADP or Workday, you do not even need to talk to anyone. Log in, open the direct deposit settings, and paste your routing and account numbers in yourself. And if you do not want your whole check in Cash App, split it. That percentage option from earlier lets you send part here and leave the rest in your bank. One last thing, the early paycheck magic usually starts from your next full pay cycle, so your very first check might arrive on the normal day. Do not panic, the next one comes early. That is how you set up direct deposit on Cash App.